So yesterday we learned how to find the sum of the angles, the interior angles of a regular polygon, and pretend I can draw because that's not really regular, but anyway. And this is a pentagon. So to find the sum, we had the sides minus 2 times 180, okay? And that would be 5 minus 2 times 180, which would be 540. So to find each one, if we wanted just to find one of those here, we would take the sum over the number of sides. And that was 540 over 5, which was 108. Everybody understand that? So if I want to find the sum of exterior angles of a polygon, the answer is always 360 degrees. Always, 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 always. And let's see why that is. If I had that these were each 108, right? Well, this here is a linear pair. So this has to be 72 because I have to add up to 180. Remember that? And what is 72 times 5? Now, if I had a triangle, if I have a triangle, and this is like this, well, if it's a regular triangle, all of these angles here are 60 degrees. So that means this one has to be 120 because 60 and 120 is 180. And what is 120 times 3? 360. If the exterior angles of every polygon add up to 360, the measurement of one angle, measurement of an exterior angle of a polygon, is 360 divided by the number of sides.